Well, if I think Vaz is in his bedroom here sleeping, and it's Friday, and things didn't work quite accordingly to plan. Actually, they didn't work quite accordingly to plan all the way along here. He had a nail in his tire down. When we met down here, I noticed that the back tire was low on his bike down in Benton Harbor, it was, and we went through and got that all fixed, and then I don't know, some other bunch of other stuff come up anyway. But we did have, and then we have some issues now. We gotta go down and take care of our grandson. Some issues down there, so we're gonna miss maintenance day. And but we finally did get into some decent weather. We got a pretty good ride, didn't we, Tip?
Mhm.
We got a pretty good ride. We wore him out last night, don't you? And I got to go wake him up. He's getting on the ferry. And I don't know. I don't know if he's gonna get to see Flying Fool tonight when he gets across on the ferry or not. But he's got a ferry ride coming across Lake Michigan, and so I got to go wake him up, and then we got to get out of here. So you want to go with me?
Time to go.
We got about 15 minutes. We got to pull out.
Oh God, got back.
So I thought I better come and wake you up.
Yeah.
Make sure that you were okay.
Oh God. I gotta do this.
So, what'd you think of Michigan? What'd you think of hamburgers? We didn't get any hot dogs. You feel cheated?
You grilled some great hamburger on the new grill.
Oh. So there you have it. We woke him up.
Well, I guess that was out.
Yeah.